Ni wa rais Rigathi Gachagua na chamanite na ikundi bya mwingi yo kariya bunene nende kwari njira cyo kuthira utumiri na KINYA bwa NCHOOBI ndiye irabonekete nende kwingia kiri mu chamanio yosiezo kariya bandene na wathani bo matora kidura kindiki na wetete mawatho ya meru yere bakethira ninde bakitumaira kenda kwithira bakiro ya NCHOOBI chamongana bombera ni ati KINYA gutiba ikethire kirura wa AKUI na MICII kana AKUI na CUKURU na kambuni na chiri kwithira ikyothe na irua na ubwithia bwa NCHOOBI chamongana nende ikethire kingawa na mabisa aba borithi batete kirwa kuringa biachara warangari chonde cha ukamatina kana wende bwa NCHOOBI ikethira nende chena rwano rumwe na itethire ikiritango tuko ende ne muthanyaki.
Mheshimiwa Rigathi Gachagua
Keregerekeria rero thirikari ya Kurwa Na Mbogita janthi gorone merekithire ja mero 25 ijaiti ara kumantuko na rogweta na mbere murugi na mwendio NCHOOBI chibango ondero na license nyorotenio bonde netia mbere metho jawatho.
All licenses and certification permits for second generation alcohol and alcoholic beverage distillers and manufacturers issued by the Kenya Revenue Authority and the Kenya Bureau of Standards stand suspended with immediate effect. All existing valid licenses will be vetted afresh.
Bonge no merukeni oyo ikwete kumenyekana bo bwega ego nagwe wanekero license thirikari ku county kwethero kendia NCHOOBI na nwethero kendia kuntukura kwe nantu kana kwe na skulu license yeku kumana nde gweta na mbere no tunyi.
No bars or alcoholic outlets shall be allowed to operate beyond the stipulated operation hours as provided for in Article 34 of the Alcoholic Drinks Control Act. All manufacturers, distillers who are aware of counterfeits of their products and fail to report to the Anti-Counterfeit Authority on the same shall be deemed complicit. All landlords or premises owners shall be deemed aiders and abettors thereof and be liable for renting out space for establishment of bars, wines and spirits outlets in prohibited areas pursuant to section 20C of the Penal Code.
Idhana ku kenda kurigiria kura biashara chili halali thirikari ni ugite ko kwanda kwenda biashara hizi no mwanka thirikura kiwanda gikero kire kithiro yukurukwa irwangirwa caps kiwanda giki nakyo no mwanka kithiro kithingatira mwatho jaja.
Fresh license applications shall require manufacturers to have quality control laboratories installed with gas chromatography with flame ionization detectors. Number 4, all alcohol manufacturers shall henceforth establish and document all traders in their distribution chain and have procedures for ensuring full traceability from factory to the consumer of alcoholic products.
Bonge rwangiro kodojo deru na umabointo caps ibere kithiri tunyumentu ko 63 bedro bakija na shirinjero shore NCHOOBI kedro shedimwa kiredi bibe 250 ml mwanka 750 ml gwitia.
All vehicles, buildings used in storage, manufacturing, trafficking in illegal drugs, illicit brews and alcohol shall pursuant to section 74 of the Narcotic Drugs and Psychotropic Substances Control Act be seized and deemed to be government property. 15, the Ministry of Interior and National Administration and the Ministry of Health shall put in place measures for branding and color specification of all alcoholic and tobacco distribution vehicles. Further, such products are to be transported between the hours of 6 a.m. and 6 p.m. The importation, manufacture, sale, use, advertisement, promotion, or distribution of shisha is outlawed in the country. Any establishment found in breach of this provision will be shut down with immediate effect.
Ntomwanio kire polisi na nene babokaria ibori tubethire bethe misako eje na njira ekiota ara bashokete borotero akiara kemenyera batikeje potonyera kiri biashara iji.
That failure will no longer be transferred to another county. Where officers have failed to perform their duties by acts of omission or commission, they will not be transferred.
Na Minister Professor Kindikio Kidhure akiojoreria merekithire 25 ikwete thirikari cia kaunti cibatere kuthocigwatanira na thirikari nene gutigirwo tintere gukanire uko kwena ntiokiro.
All county security committees have received the existing approved and licensed lists of manufacturers, distillers, pharmacists, and agrovets. The committees are hereby directed to shut down and destroy all illicit manufacturing installations, distilleries, agrovets, and chemists not within the approved list of licensed enterprises within 10 days of this directive.
Na nyuma ya kugira maitaja maingi na kuonekana jabate kumbana nande thirikari ya Kenya kwanza gukurukira rongiro rokaria ibogite merekithire jejo 25 no mwanka yaketho jegita ngoge na nchobi chivango amonda cha kulevya chidro chekinyira muthia ke reporter Ntoshero TV kumaje kroni munio rais kenyina ngine kinene kemusho Nairobi mbita Boniface Mongera.